Hello everyone and welcome to the Mövenpick Sousse. Rather extravagantly, this is actually my second stay at the Mövenpick here in Sousse in 2 weeks. So let's go and check out what the room looks like this time. Okay, so we have sea views. Let's stick the card in there. So a bathroom. Storage space there. Oh, what a view. Out on the balcony there. Got views of the pool and the Mediterranean. And also views straight into other people's bedrooms. Excellent. Here's La Villa restaurant. We actually ate here last night and the lamb shank was delicious. And then the bar area with the weird penguins. And great views of the sea there with the piano. There was some live music last night as well. Well, here's the fitness suite with views of the beach. It's beautiful. Boules / Pétanque. One of the many pools, this one with a mosaic at the bottom. This is the seawater pool.